Hey guys, my name is Madison Goodwin and I'm your state president-elect, and today I'm going to take you through the Families First workshop. FCCLA and FCS go hand in hand. The mission of Family and Consumer Sciences education is to prepare students for family life, work life, and careers in family and consumer sciences by providing opportunities to develop the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and behaviors needed for strengthening the well-being of individuals and families across the lifespan, becoming responsible citizens and leaders in family, community, and work settings, and promoting optimal nutrition and wellness across the lifespan, and much, much more. In Families First, we recognize that families are made up of individuals, and these families are integral parts of the functioning of society. To help students learn about the importance of families, the Families First program centers on 5 units: dynamics, balance, development, safety, and skills. Students may complete projects in one or several units as each unit relates to helping create healthy families. While students are not required to start with a particular unit, we recommend starting with dynamics. This unit can help students learn about diverse family structures and gain insight to their own families. Through the process of learning, investigating, working, planning, and sharing, the Families First program aims to help youth become strong family members and leaders for today and tomorrow, strengthen families as a foundational unit of society, explore careers that support families, provide safety education for youth to foster healthy families and communities, and to understand how nurturing children builds strong families. A vital component of any adolescent program is parental engagement. As an advisor, we encourage you to reach out to your students' parents and find ways to include them in Families First programs. Parents want to know what their child is learning. In addition, they want to understand how skills learned in the classroom translate to the workforce. Through Families First, your students can share and collaborate with their parents on issues that impact families. While there may be a list of possible topics, we do not intend these topics to be extensive. Rather, we hope you will encourage your members to find topics which relate to the unit. Through the Families First program, students are given the opportunity to learn. Students must learn about the diverse makeup of families, the needs of families and family members, and the types of interactions that help families function successfully. In addition, students will learn about how families deal with obstacles, nurture children, practice safely, and what skills can help individuals be supportive family members. Investigate. Once students have learned about families, they will investigate the diverse needs of families and issues that might impact family functioning. In addition, they will be challenged to consider how family issues affect their community. Work. Through collaboration, students can extend their learning about diverse groups and needs within families and the community. Whenever possible, students should be encouraged to work with others. Plan projects. Using the FCCLA planning process, students will carry out projects that address the identified local needs, interests, and concerns of families. Evaluate, share, and report. An essential part of the Families First program is enabling students to evaluate their work, share their efforts, and report findings. By critically thinking about their project, students learn about the values of planning process and gain insight into how projects can be improved in the future. Looking for a way to fundraise for your chapter? FCCLA offers National Program Awards for students who complete projects for national programs. This honor includes cash awards up to $1,000 and/or special recognition at the National Leadership Conference, online, and on FCCLA social media. Have any questions or want to let us know about a national program project you completed? Reach us at info@flfccla.org. Thank you all for watching this national program workshop today. I hope you will all take the time and consideration to complete this project, and we hope to see you on the stage at Nationals.